Imagine a world without a sun, a celestial body cast adrift in the inky blackness. A planet adrift in the star-dusted darkness between solar systems, a lonely wanderer in the cosmic sea. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? To be so isolated, so utterly alone. It doesn't orbit a star but moves alone, a solitary sentinel traversing the vast expanse of space. No warmth, no light, just the cold, hard vacuum. A solitary traveler through the Milky Way, an interstellar nomad journeying through the galaxy's swirling arms. It's a journey of unimaginable scale and duration. These are real objects, not figments of science fiction, but tangible worlds existing beyond our solar system. Rogue planets, enigmatic wanderers of the cosmos. They are the galaxy's orphans and cosmic nomads, celestial bodies without a home, forever drifting in the interstellar void. Untethered from any star, they are free from the gravitational embrace of a sun. They wander the vast, cold emptiness of interstellar space where temperatures plummet to near absolute zero and darkness reigns supreme. Their existence challenges our tidy view of solar systems, forcing us to reconsider what we thought we knew about planetary formation and evolution, revealing a universe far wilder than we imagined, a place of constant change and unexpected phenomena. Astronomers call them interstellar planets, a formal name for these unconventional celestial objects. Free-floating planets or orphan planets, names that evoke a sense of loneliness and isolation. But Rogue captures their unpredictable journey, their defiance of conventional planetary behavior. For most of history, we saw planets as loyal companions to stars, following neat orbits, bound by gravity in an eternal dance. The idea of a planet simply leaving its star was once unthinkable, a violation of the cosmic order. But the universe is governed by physics, not our sense of order, and physics can be messy, chaotic, and unpredictable. The discovery of rogue planets has forced us to see the galaxy as a dynamic sea of wandering worlds, a vast and ever-changing landscape. They push us to ask, what truly makes a planet? What defines its essence? Is it its relationship to a star, the gravitational bond that ties it to a parent sun, or its own inherent nature, its mass, composition, and potential for harboring life? For every rule we find in the cosmos, every law of physics we uncover, there's an exception drifting in the dark, a reminder that the universe is full of surprises. Right now, billions of these mysterious worlds are moving through the galaxy, silently traversing the interstellar gulf. Each one a story waiting to be told, a cosmic enigma waiting to be unraveled. Drifting through the inky blackness of space, these solitary wanderers capture our imagination. Where do these cosmic orphans come from? What forces conspired to create these celestial nomads? There are two main origin stories, two distinct paths that lead to a planet becoming a rogue. Each path paints a different picture of the planet's past. The first is chaos, a cosmic game of planetary billiards where gravitational forces collide and worlds are sent hurtling into the void. In young, crowded planetary systems, giant planets jostle for position, engaging in a delicate dance of gravitational tug-of-war. It's a chaotic ballet where the stakes are planetary survival. Sometimes a smaller world gets too close to a massive neighbor, venturing too far into the gravitational domain of a gas giant, and is flung out, ejected into interstellar space, cast adrift in the cosmic ocean, far from the warmth and light of its parent star. This planetary ejection is likely common, a frequent occurrence in the tumultuous early years of many solar systems, scattering countless worlds across the galaxy, creating a vast diaspora of orphaned planets, each with a unique story to tell. Many rogues are exiles, banished from their stellar nurseries, forced to wander the interstellar wilderness alone, carrying the chemical fingerprints of their lost homes, a ghostly reminder of the suns they once orbited and the planetary siblings they left behind. The second story is isolation, a tale of planets born not from chaos, but from solitude. Some planets form alone, coalescing from swirling clouds of gas and dust in the vast emptiness of space. Collapsing from clouds of gas and dust, drawn together by gravity, slowly building themselves into planetary bodies. Never massive enough to ignite as stars, they remain in a perpetual state of twilight. These failed stars are born in the dark, shrouded in cosmic dust and gas, forever denied the nuclear fire that fuels true stars, becoming gas giants without a sun, forever wandering the galaxy in cold, dark isolation. The galaxy is filled with both, a diverse population of celestial wanderers, each with a unique origin. Exiles and hermits, planets kicked out of their systems, victims of cosmic bullying, forced to fend for themselves in the vast emptiness. and those that never had a home, born in isolation, destined to wander the galaxy alone from the very beginning. Each tells a story, a silent narrative etched in their composition and trajectory, about the messy, surprising ways the cosmos builds worlds, defying our expectations and challenging our understanding of planetary formation. In the end, rogue planets are proof, a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe. That the universe is as creative as it is chaotic, a place where both destruction and creation play essential roles in shaping the cosmos. When we gaze up at the night sky filled with countless stars, we often wonder about the planets that orbit them, but what about the planets that don't? How many rogue planets are out there wandering the cosmos without a star to call home? The answer, according to recent studies and astronomical models, is staggering. It challenges our fundamental understanding of planetary formation and distribution. Our own Milky Way galaxy is a vast collection of celestial objects containing hundreds of billions of stars, each a sun in its own right. But the surprising truth is that rogue planets, those celestial nomads, may actually outnumber the stars we see twinkling in the night sky. Some estimates, based on observations and theoretical calculations, suggest there could be 20, 50, or even 100 rogue planets for every single star residing within our galaxy. The implications of these numbers are truly mind-boggling. That means trillions, a number so large it's difficult to comprehend. Perhaps even tens of trillions of these solitary wanderers populate the vast expanse of interstellar space. These are dark worlds, drifting unseen through the cosmic void, their presence largely unknown until recently. The spaces between stars, once thought to be relatively empty, may in fact be teeming with these hidden planets, a vast and unexplored frontier. This leads to an astonishing conclusion. The most common type of planet in the galaxy might not orbit a star at all, but instead roam freely through the interstellar gulf. Our sun-centered solar system, with its familiar arrangement of planets orbiting a star, could be the exception, not the rule, in the grand scheme of the galaxy. So, if these rogue planets are so numerous, why haven't we seen them before? What makes them so difficult to detect? The answer lies in their nature. They're cold, faint, and nearly invisible, blending seamlessly against the vast and dazzling backdrop of stars. Finding a rogue planet is often compared to spotting a lump of coal in a coal cellar at midnight, a truly daunting task. To overcome this challenge, astronomers have developed clever, indirect methods to detect them, pushing the boundaries of observational astronomy. These methods involve searching for subtle clues in the starlight, looking for minute gravitational effects or faint infrared signatures. The discovery of this hidden multitude is fundamentally changing our view of the galaxy and our place within it. Planets, it turns out, aren't just star-bound companions confined to the gravitational embrace of a sun. Instead, they represent a vast, independent population, a community of free-floating worlds shaping the dynamics of the galaxy. The Great Galactic Census has begun, a monumental effort to map and understand the true extent of planetary populations. And with each new discovery, it's rewriting our cosmic story, revealing a universe far more diverse and dynamic than we ever imagined. How do you find something nearly invisible? Enter gravitational microlensing. When a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, its gravity bends the starlight, causing a brief telltale brightening. This fleeting event is our best tool for spotting these ghosts. NASA's upcoming Roman Space Telescope will revolutionize the hunt, surveying millions of stars for microlensing events and revealing hundreds, maybe thousands of rogues. The James Webb Space Telescope has already directly imaged young, massive rogue planets, some even found as binary pairs wandering together. The European Space Agency's Euclid mission will add even more data, mapping the sky with precision. Together, these missions are opening a new frontier, transforming rogue planets from curiosities into a well-studied class. We're moving from guesses to big data, finally mapping the unseen population of our galaxy. The era of discovery is just beginning. A planet without a sun seems like the last place for life. Its surface would be frozen, locked in eternal darkness. But deep beneath the ice, the story could be different. Internal heat from radioactive decay might keep a subsurface ocean liquid for billions of years. Hydrothermal vents could provide energy and nutrients, just as they do on Earth's ocean floor. Life here would rely on chemosynthesis, not sunlight, thriving in a perpetual nutrient-rich abyss. This possibility expands the habitable zone to any world with enough internal heat for liquid water. Rogue planets could even spread life. If struck by an asteroid, icy fragments might carry microbes across the galaxy, a process called panspermia. These wandering worlds could be the galaxy's delivery service, connecting distant star systems with the seeds of life. The potential for life in the dark is greater than we ever imagined. Rogue planets have inspired wild speculation and myth. Some imagine our solar system capturing a passing rogue, disrupting planetary orbits, a real but rare possibility. Ancient myths like Nibiru or Planet X echo this fear, but no evidence supports such a doomsday planet. Still, the discovery of trillions of real rogues gives these stories a scientific twist. Some even wonder if rogue planets could explain dark matter, though most evidence points elsewhere. These ideas highlight the mystery and allure of rogue planets. They are the here-be-dragons of the modern cosmos, blank slates for our imagination. As science replaces myth with data, rogue planets remain a source of wonder and curiosity. The universe is mostly empty space, or so we thought. With trillions of rogue planets, the odds are high that one is passing close to our solar system right now. It could be much nearer than the closest star, drifting invisibly through the Oort cloud. This unseen neighbor would be undetectable with current technology, a silent visitor in the dark. Discovering such a world would be a monumental achievement, a prime target for future exploration. Imagine sending a probe to a planet shaped by the cold of the cosmos, not the warmth of a star. It could reveal secrets of planetary formation and the potential for life in extreme environments. So, next time you look at the night sky, remember the ghosts, the trillions of silent worlds moving through the dark. They are the missing piece of the galactic puzzle, and one might be closer than you think. The search is on.